Okay, took a little longer than I wanted. Reason was the information I was getting online was wrong. It was telling me that the one that would correspond to here back there was 3, the middle one, when really it went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 is back there. So I had to take it apart a couple more times. Finally, I swapped all the coils around. Now the misfire's up here. But this is what I was talking about when I was talking about how simple it is. Give me just a second. Now if the dead one's up front, this is all we have to switch it out. We just do this. Well, there we go. Take the screw. Undo the wire. That's it. So yeah, it's once they're up front, you know, 5-minute thing. But this one was in the back at first, so that's where you still had to have the work done. But this is what was dead.